Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to do some personalization, some fun stuff just for you to have. Now, I can't promise that it will stay on your computers because they run scripts to get rid of backgrounds and stuff, but at least you'll know how to fix and add things. So the first thing is that most people want to know is how to change the background. So if you go to your background, it's pretty simple to do. The key to it is that you need to have the picture on your desktop. It has to be, well, no, I shouldn't say on your desktop. It has to be downloaded. So if you go and we're going to open this up, we're going to find a picture of a husky. I suggest that you go over here to tools and make it larger, because if it's really small, it's going to be very blurry. So you find one that you like. I don't know, I could look at huskies all day. We'll take this one. All right, and then we're going to save the image as, and I'm putting it on my desktop as a new folder. And I'm going to just hit save. Okay, so it is on there. So now all you have to do is wrong way. You have to go over to new folder, and if you don't see the pictures, if you want to see them, if you go to view extra large, by the way, these are my huskies. That's Trixie, that's Flash, that's Roxy, and that's Luna. So those are my four. And then this is my grand dog. And she's kind of a husky shepherd mix. And her name is Maxine. So what you would do is whatever picture you find that you like, if you put your cursor on top of it and you right click, it says set as desktop background. So now there's my desktop background. If I want to do it again, just to show you, I go to new folder and I right click on here and say set as desktop background and close. There you go. So now you know how to change your background. The other two things that people ask me about is how to change your picture in Schoology. So if you are in Schoology, what you need to do is you have to go up here where your name is. Your name comes up here. If you click on this and you go to your profile, there's a picture goes here. If you click on edit picture, you can choose an avatar if you don't have a picture, or you can attach a file. So I'm going to go ahead and I guess I will be a husky today so that you guys can see it. So we're going to go here, and I think I will be Roxy. So now that's how you change the picture. All right, and the third thing and the last thing I'm going to show you just to have fun and to personalize is if you go back to your SSO and you go to Office 365, you can change your picture that comes up on that. So you log in, and if you go same place, if you go over here where it says, probably has your initials. So if you go here to this and you go to My Office Profile, it will come up and you would say update your profile. And if I click on it, oh, okay, well, the first thing I'll show you is you can change this background photo that's there. You need to do that first because you're trying to get this camera to come up. So you can keep the same one, or you can change it to one of these other ones. So let's go with this one. And then all you have to do is close it, and then it changes. Then once that happens, you can click on the camera and you can change your photo. And it's basically the same thing. You have to find a picture of where it's at, and then you can move it and do what you need to do. So that is the fun stuff of how to personalize your computer. And I just thought of one other thing. Hopefully you hung out there, but I've also been asked how I get the special background on Google. So if you go up here and you put in themes, or no, it has to be Google themes, sorry. Google themes. It'll take you to the web store, and then you can look for different themes that you like, or you can go in here and you can try searching for, like I searched for pandas, and you can come up with some different things here. So that is how you find it. If you just put in Google themes, you'll get to the web store and you'll be able to add or create different backgrounds for Google, etc. All right, now I'm done.